In the first episode, I shared that after praying, I felt led to send an email to someone connected to the Christian university where I am currently studying. I didn't know exactly what I would receive, but I had a strong sense that I needed more information and possibly a different perspective. What came back in that email surprised me. He shared a wealth of information about substances being studied for their potential anti-tumor properties, including some medicines I had never even heard of regarding cancer before. The information included three specific medicines: ivermectin, mebendazole, and fenbendazole. At first, I honestly didn't know what to think. Naturally, I had questions, a lot of questions. Along with the information, he also shared a protocol from a physician named Dr. William Makis, who has discussed using ivermectin together with fenbendazole or mebendazole as part of an integrative approach for cancer patients. Up until that moment, I had never heard of these medicines being talked about in connection with cancer. So, of course, I began researching. I wanted to understand, what are these medicines? Why are researchers studying them? And what does the science actually say? What I discovered opened up an entirely new area of information that I had never explored before. And in this episode, I'm going to walk you through my research in a way that is easy to understand, because when you are facing important decisions, information matters. Let's take a closer look. There is current research investigating the potential of repurposing ivermectin, fenbendazole, and mebendazole for cancer treatment. Scientists are exploring their effects, but findings are preliminary. These studies aim to understand how these medicines might impact cancer cells, though definitive conclusions are yet to be reached. These medicines are not approved as standard cancer treatments. Research is ongoing, and lab results may not apply to humans. Always consult a qualified medical professional before making treatment decisions. Drug repurposing involves exploring existing approved medicines for new therapeutic uses beyond their original intent. This approach leverages established safety profiles, allowing researchers to expedite studies and reduce costs compared to developing new drugs. Many well-known medicines today were initially created for different conditions. Ivermectin was originally designed to treat parasitic infections like intestinal worms and river blindness. It has a long track record, providing a deep understanding of its behavior in the body. Researchers are now studying its potential interactions with cancer cells based on its known biological outcomes. Researchers are studying ivermectin because laboratory studies suggest it may affect cellular energy use and growth signals. These findings raise questions about its potential impact on cancer cells, known for abnormal growth and energy patterns. However, these studies are preliminary and not yet validated in clinical trials. Current research on ivermectin includes laboratory experiments on breast, colon, and lung cancer cell lines. These studies explore how ivermectin interacts with these cancer cells. While lab results are promising, clinical trials in humans are essential to confirm these findings. Fenbendazole is an antiparasitic, deworming medication primarily used in veterinary medicine to treat worms in animals. It is a benzimidazole known for disrupting parasites' survival mechanisms by interfering with microtubules. These structural fibers are crucial for cell division and survival. Researchers are intrigued by fenbendazole's potential impact on cancer cells, as microtubules are also vital for cancer cell division. Researchers are studying fenbendazole for its potential to disrupt microtubules. This interference might slow or halt tumor growth. Additionally, personal stories such as Joe Tippens have fueled public interest and increased research focus on this compound. Mebendazole, a close cousin to fenbendazole, is approved for human use to treat parasitic worm infections. It boasts a strong safety record, making it an appealing candidate for repurposing research. Due to its structural similarity to fenbendazole, researchers are investigating its potential effects on cancer cell behavior. Research on mebendazole has explored its potential effects on glioblastoma and other brain tumors, colon cancer, and lung cancer. Early studies and preclinical investigations show promise, but larger scale trials are necessary to confirm its efficacy in these cancer types. Cancer cells differ from normal cells in four key biological areas. Disrupting any of these processes with a repurposed drug might slow tumor growth or increase cancer cell vulnerability. Scientists rigorously study these effects in labs and clinical trials before drawing treatment conclusions. Joe Tippens shared his experience using fenbendazole with supplements and lifestyle changes, which went viral. This sparked public interest in fenbendazole, prompting independent research. Controlled clinical trials are still needed to establish safety and effectiveness. Dr. William Makis has shared insights on repurposed medicines like ivermectin and their potential interactions with cancer cells. His views have sparked public interest. Continued studies are essential to validate the safety and effectiveness of these treatments. Every standard cancer treatment undergoes 4 clinical trial phases. This rigorous process ensures treatments are safe and effective, requiring years of meticulous research. Each phase is crucial for validating the medicine's safety and efficacy before it becomes widely available. Doctors play a crucial role in cancer treatment, tailoring approaches to each patient's unique profile. They consider the type and stage of cancer, as different cancers and stages require distinct treatments. However, I am learning that alternative and integrative approaches also bring in a more holistic approach to treatment that is needed to understand the patient as a whole. Nutrition also plays a vital role in supporting health during treatment. Additionally, managing stress and maintaining healthy habits can enhance overall well-being alongside medical care. Ivermectin, fenbendazole, and mebendazole were developed for purposes other than cancer. Research is promising but early with limited human trials. Always consult a qualified medical professional for personalized advice. Stay curious and informed as medical research evolves. I know that this topic may raise a lot of questions, and I want to emphasize that I am still in the process of learning, researching, and gathering information before making any final decisions about the path I will take. This is not a simple decision, and I believe it is important to carefully consider all available information, seek wisdom, and move forward prayerfully and thoughtfully. Right now, I am continuing to speak with medical professionals, review research, and explore different perspectives so that I can make the most informed decision possible. I truly believe that God can guide us even when the road ahead feels uncertain. Psalm 32:8 says, I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. That promise gives me comfort as I continue seeking direction. My goal in sharing this journey openly is to help others feel less alone if they are also navigating difficult health decisions. I will continue sharing updates as I learn more and as the next steps become clearer. I noticed online that there are many people expressing they found success with using these repurposed drugs in their cancer treatment. I recently read a book by a man who stated that both him and his brother used fenbendazole to successfully treat prostate cancer. Do you have any experience with any of these medicines repurposed for cancer? Please feel free to share your experience in the comments. It will help me as I continue to research and consider all options. God is still writing my story. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and continue on this journey with me.